So now, first of all, let us discuss about the subject of a formula. For instance, area of a rectangle is given by means of the product of length and breadth, that is A equals to L into B. Whereas in that formula, that is A equals to L into B, A alone is on the left hand side, whose coefficient is of 1. That means A is the subject, which is expressed in terms of the other variables, that is L and B. So that will be called as the subject, whereas A will be called as the subject in the formula A equals to L into B. That means the subject A is expressed in case of the other terms, that as L and as well as B. So now, first of all, let us know about the subject of the formula. Now, here the definition of the subject of the formula is the variable that is expressed in terms of other variables involved in it, that is involved in that formula, is called the subject of the formula. So, therefore, the subject of the formula is nothing but the subject of the formula is the variable. The subject itself is nothing but a variable that is expressed in terms of other variables. So here the subject that is nothing but the variable will be expressed in terms of the other variables which are involved in the given formula. So now let us perform one example under this. So here area of a circle, area of a circle is the product of pi and square of the radius, square of its radius. Symbolically or mathematically it can be written as, so here the same sentence, that is area of a square circle is or is equals to the product of pi and as well as the square of its radius, can be expressed, this sentence or this condition can be expressed mathematically. We can express, say here, this sentence in the formula wise, that is area of a circle denoted by capital A is the area of a circle is the, that means is equals to the product, the multiplication of pi into square of its radius. So radius denoted by means of small letter, that is r, then square of its radius. So here we have to square it, r square. So in this manner we got area of a circle as pi r square, whereas in which the left hand side quantity is of a and the right hand side quantity is of pi r square. So left hand side quantity is subject, say left hand side quantity's coefficient is of 1 in this case. Hence, so here for this formula, so here the subject is nothing but the a. So we have made a as the subject in this formula, that is a is equals to pi r square. So here a is the variable, the subject is nothing but a variable, that is a. This is expressed in other variables. The other variable is of r. So here a is expressed in the other variables form, that is r square, that is in case of r, that is radius. So therefore, so subject will be alone on the left hand side, that is the variable, and its coefficient must be always 1, then it will be called as the subject. So therefore, so in this regard, So here in A equals to pi r square, subject of the formula is equals to, here the subject is A, therefore the subject is nothing but A in the formula A equals to pi r square. So here the subject, in this case I say the subject is of A, the subject can also be changed into the other variables, that is the note under this. So instead of A in the first case, that is A is equals to pi r square, we can make R as the subject by changing the subject in that regard. So here subject of the formula can be changed to other variable. So for this case, let us perform one example. So area of a rectangle A is the product of its length, that is L, and breadth, that is B. So here the area of rectangle A is nothing but the product of its length, that is L, and breadth B. So here we have to write as a formula and make, B as the subject in this regard. So here in this formula, so here make L as the subject of the formula. Now the solution starts. So as per problem, area of a rectangle A is given by means of the product of its length and as well as breadth. So up to this extent, first of all let us frame a formula. So here as per problem, area of rectangle, that is A, is the product of its length, that is denoted by means of L, and its breadth, whereas it is denoted by means of B. So this is a statement which is given first in the problem, but mathematically, so we can show by means of formula, that is, so here area of a rectangle is given by means of A. E is the product, that means E is equals to product of, that is we have to multiply its length denoted by means of L and as well as its breadth denoted by means of B. That means, so area of rectangle A is nothing but the product of length and its breadth is given by means of A is equals to L into B as in the mathematical form. So in this manner, so A is equals to L into B is the formula in which A is the subject because its coefficient is of 1. It is alone on the left hand side of the formula or the left hand side of an equation. Therefore, A is the subject in this regard, but we have to make L as the subject as per the question which is given for us. So here make L as the subject of the given formula, but here so A is the subject. So in this case I say the subject of the formula is equals to A in this regard, because A alone is on the left hand side of the equation and its coefficient is of 1. So these are the rules and regulations for the to make subject of a formula. But as per problem we have to make L as the subject. So here L alone we have to write on the left hand side with its coefficient as 1. So here same formula A is equals to L into B. So A equals to L into B is the formula which we got. But in order to make L as the subject. So I am going to what is write L into B is equals to A. So I have changed LHS quantity as RHS quantity and RHS quantity as LHS quantity, interchanging the LHS and RHS. So here I got this step by interchanging LHS and RHS. So here I got this step by means of changing the LHS, that is left hand side and right hand side quantities. Then in order to make L as the subject, so here L alone I have to write on the left hand side. L is equals to right hand side quantities of A, but here L is multiplied with B on the left hand side. So I want to transpose, that is B which is multiplied on the left hand side with L. So into B on the other hand, so divide by B. So if I transpose into B, then it will come and what I say multiply in the denominator's place. It will occupy the denominator's place. So here I got this place. So I got this logical step. So here by transposing. So here LHS by transposing LHS term to RHS. That means I have transposed. So here LHS quantity, that is B, to the right hand side, that is RHS. So in this manner I got this logical step, that is L is equals to A by B. So in this manner I say L coefficient is of 1 and L alone is on the left hand side, therefore L is the subject now. So here therefore L is equals to A divided by B. So in which L is the subject I say. In this regard I say here the subject is equals to L. Since L is alone on the left hand side and its coefficient is of 1, therefore the subject is equals to L. In this manner say here we have changed the subject of the formula, that is A is equals to L into B, as the subject L, that is equals to A divided by B. Now let us perform one more example, that is